Welcome back to Vid Gadget, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of tools and tech. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, and cutting-edge enthusiasts out there. We've taken the time to put the top circular saws of 2024 to the test, and we're about to unveil our findings. Whether you're a pro or just starting your DIY journey, this is a video you won't want to miss. So, grab your safety glasses, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of cutting-edge innovation. Number 5. The DEWALT Circular Saw is a lightweight and compact powerhouse in its class, weighing just 8.8 pounds. Its electric brake stops the blade swiftly upon releasing the trigger, enhancing safety and productivity. The patented 15-amp motor ensures it can handle even the toughest cutting tasks with ease. This saw offers a 57-degree beveling capacity with positive stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, making it versatile for various cuts. It can achieve a depth of cut of 2 9/16 inches, suitable for a wide range of materials. Durability is a strong suit, with features like a ball-bearing lower guard and a high-grade aluminum smooth base. The integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line free from debris, ensuring precision. DEWALT's tough cord protection system enhances durability, making this circular saw an excellent choice for demanding job site applications. Number 4. The Makita 40V Max XGT brushless lithium-ion circular saw kit is a professional-grade cordless tool designed for efficiency and durability. Its Makita-built brushless motor delivers a remarkable 6,400 RPM for swift and precise cutting, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The automatic torque drive feature intelligently adjusts cutting speed under load to optimize performance, ensuring consistent and efficient cuts. The saw's lightweight design and magnesium die-cast base enhance maneuverability, reducing user fatigue during extended use. It's built to withstand tough job site conditions, thanks to XPT, Extreme Protection Technology, which provides increased resistance to dust and water. Additionally, the electric brake ensures maximum productivity by swiftly stopping the blade when the trigger is released. The Makita 40V Max XGT circular saw kit is a powerful, versatile, and reliable tool suitable for professionals tackling challenging cutting tasks. Number 3. The SKIL 15-amp circular saw is a highly capable cutting tool, boasting a potent 15-amp motor that achieves a rapid 5,300 RPM for swift and efficient cuts. It comes complete with a 7 1/4 inch carbide-tipped blade, ensuring precision and sharpness, with a convenient spindle lock for easy blade changes. With a bevel capacity of 51 degrees and a positive stop at 45 degrees, it accommodates a wide array of cutting requirements, including bevel cuts. The built-in dust blower keeps the cutting line clear of sawdust, improving visibility and the quality of the cuts. For safety, the saw features a safety lock/guarded trigger to prevent accidental starts, and a power-on indicator gives a visual cue when the tool is active. The SKIL 15-amp circular saw is a versatile and powerful tool for various cutting tasks, providing speed, accuracy, and safety. Number 2. The Makita 5477NB is a professional-grade circular saw offering exceptional performance and durability. Its efficient high-put gears provide superior power and increased contact area compared to traditional worm-drive gears. With a robust 15-amp motor, this saw boosts productivity by handling demanding cutting tasks with ease. The incorporation of oil bath technology and a sealed gear housing minimizes maintenance needs, ensuring long-term reliability. For versatility, the saw offers a bevel capacity from 0 degrees to 51.5 degrees and features positive stops at 45 degrees and 51.5 degrees, making it ideal for various applications, including truss and rafter cutouts. High-quality heat-treated high-put gears guarantee long-lasting performance, making the Makita 5477NB a valuable tool for professionals who demand power, efficiency, and durability in their circular saws. Number 1. The BOSCH GKS18V is a high-performance cordless circular saw with Profactor technology, delivering corded-like power from an 18V system. It boasts a 2.5-inch cutting capacity across its entire bevel range and features an eco mode to extend battery life by up to 30%. The bi-turbo brushless technology, combined with the Core 18V high-power 8Ah battery, ensures efficient and powerful cutting. Enhanced 21700 cell technology and Bosch's CoolPack 2.0 system maintain battery efficiency and temperature. The one-touch depth adjustment makes precise changes easy. Bosch offers a 5-year limited warranty on 18V cordless power tools and chargers, along with a 3-year warranty on 18V batteries. Additionally, there's a 180-day no-questions-asked return guarantee for all Bosch 18V Profactor cordless power tools. If you liked the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.